guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wooden shoe rack holder. So without any further ado, let's get into the project. Okay, so the plan for this project is I'm going to just put 2 pieces of wood up and then 3 pieces of wood across, so it will look a bit like this. And then I'll put I'll put my shoes on top of those pieces of wood which are going across. So it should be a fairly simple, easy project. So right now I'm just measuring out 71 centimeters. So after I've finished measuring out 71 centimeters, then I can start cutting it. I won't bore you with all the measuring, so I'll just show you me just measuring one. Okay, so now I just need to cut it to the right length. So after I finish cutting that, then I can cut all the rest. If you ever want me to make something and show me making it on camera, just leave it down in the comments and I'll probably do it. Okay, so I've cut them all the size. They're just down here. Oh, they're not here. Okay. With the power of editing, they'll be here right now. Okay, so here they are. It was a bit of a work cutting them all down to size, but I've cut them all down to size now. So now I just need to glue all 2 pairs together, so that's going to be cool. Okay, so now I'm just putting some wood glue on, and then I'm just spraying it out with a piece of wood, and now I'm just putting it on my bench with the other piece of wood and just putting some clamps on. I'm putting some bricks on so it stays flat, and then I'm just putting some more clamps on. Okay, so this is what it looks like with all the clamps on, and now I just need to glue all the other pieces up. So I've now taken off all the clamps, and now I'm just scraping off the excess glue, so when I varnish it, there's not lots of little blotches where the wood hasn't where the varnish hasn't sunken into the wood because the glue is stopping it. So I'm just scraping it off with my chisel and my other scraper. Okay, so now I've cut and glued up all these pieces, which are going to go across, but then there's going to be pieces which go up here and up here. And if I just glued this onto this, the piece which is going to go up, then it wouldn't be a very strong joint. So if we put little sort of almost like corner brackets, but they're not corner brackets, if you know what I mean, I'll be cutting little pieces here, 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 across every 6 centimeters, and then I'll be gluing that onto the pieces which go up, so then the pieces which go across can rest on it. It sounds a bit complicated, but that's just how it's supposed to work. So let's measure it out. Okay, so now I've got them all all the pieces which are going to go across cut to size. I've also got all these little things which are going to go on that to keep the piece which go across up. So I'll see you back at part 2 when I'll properly finish off the project. So I'll see you in part 2. Bye. Coming up in part 2. So we've got a few problems on the shoe rack build. The first problem is that this is actually twisted, so it won't sit flat when it glues on, so I don't actually know if I'll even be able to fix this. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the project. The other little problem we have is that